friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Aldi frozen orange chicken in the air fryer. So here's a package of frozen orange chicken that I bought at Aldi. No need to defrost, air fryer will cook it straight from frozen. So let's open up the package. So there's a sauce packet, set it aside. And let's put the chicken in the air fryer basket. So I just took out the air fryer basket. Let's put the chicken in a single layer. And I'm going to put the basket back in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now while the chicken is cooking, let's take the sauce packet and just put it under hot water. So basically after a few minutes like this, it should be fully defrosted and ready to use. So I'm just kind of smashing the package with my fingers. So if there's any ice, frozen pieces, you can just smush it. An alternative, I think you could just also put it in a pot of hot water the same way, and it will get fully defrosted. And this is it. So the sauce, just put it aside. It's going to be ready for use. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. The chicken is perfectly cooked and crispy. Now if you want to be sure that it's cooked, you can always check the thickest piece of chicken to make sure the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So I know this is ready in my air fryer, so I'm going to take this out of the air fryer. You hear how crunchy. And now I'm going to pour the sauce over the chicken. And now toss it with the sauce. Perfect. Look at this orange chicken. It looks amazing, and it was so easy to make it in the air fryer. Once you try making it in the air fryer, you will not want to use a microwave because air fryer makes the coating so crispy. It's so easy. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love orange chicken. So good. Crispy coating and this tasty sweet orange sauce. Such amazing flavor. It was so easy and so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!